Explorer. All-wheel drive. I'm replacing the lower control arm and the tie rod, and the both side I'm doing, but I'm going to show one side. I believe if you can do one side, you can be able to do other side. So if you're new to my channel, you are quite welcome. Please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help a brother. It takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. You cannot be fruitful by yourself. We all need each other to survive. You better believe that. KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Let's go get it. So if you look down here, this is what it takes to do this job. Everything has to come out. Talking about the spindle is out. You know, there's swiveling, shocks, everything is out. So this is the guy that we're after. This guy right here. Right now. We are changing complete. I'm not just doing that. Just the tire rod. That's the guy. That's the guy we're after. So, replacing everything. You see. Ball joint is bad, but she didn't want to do all of that. Replacing it, she just decided. Because sometimes all this pushing over the years, they get worn out. Then start making noise when you step on the car. You hear that wing, 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 wing. That crazy noise there. So she's changing everything. So I'm gonna bring the new one. We're gonna match it up, and we'll start putting it together one by one. KG Auto. We be right. Here's the new one. If you're wondering, that's a parts number right there. C as in city, B as in boy, 85104. All right, KG. We're gonna open it up and bring this guy out. So, yeah, here. This is a big job. Make sure you have all the right tools. See right there. So we have this stand right here. Arrow stand for the right hand side. So everything looks the same. It looks good. So we're gonna put it. We got this long both. You guys see that? Good job. You did that. KG did that. I can't believe that. We went the wrong way. I know something was alright. I found out. So I kind of put it the wrong side. Both guy goes in like this, a lockdown thing here. So you don't have to worry about the both funnel. Okay. So now we got it right. I know something is not right. So I was doing the wrong thing. Okay, that's pretty much it. The guy sitting right there. He got this big knob. I don't know how the tools for that. So I use this guy for it right there. That's what is for that guy right there. Well, the other side is a 20. Is a 24. So that one I do have. So that's it right there. Just gonna run it down and tight it all the way down. We'll come back to that later. Let's run it down a little bit. Come back to it. Okay, so come to this side as well. This guy right here. guys see, in case you have to sit on the floor. Alright, so we need the longer 24 socket. So if you see, if I was going to video this right from the start, it would be a really long video. Sometimes you'll be tired of it. I can't sit and be watching KG for 2 hours. So that's why most of the time I'm trying to make this video sweet and short. So that guy right there has a lock, so you don't have to worry about him spinning. So that's basically the way I want it for now. So I can be able to like fling it over when I want it. I'll get to tight later on. So what we're gonna do now, because I'm changing the tie rod as well. So make sure so the here's the new one. Here's the new one. So we're gonna count this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 right there. So I just try to get it close as possible. So we're gonna count this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I didn't count the first one like that. So in any way, so we should be fine like that. So we're gonna leave that like that as well. So now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bring we're gonna bring this guy up so we can be able to put this struts. So this struts right here, it has a bolt. There's a bolt. So this one is the one that keep it from turning. So we put some lubrication oil in it, so make our life easy. So once we pull this one right here, the rest is history. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, slam dunk right there. Where's my Black Mambo? Yeah, I was a fancy Kobe guy. Gotta be hungry. Got to be hungry, baby. So we use a hammer to tap a little bit. This thing is a little tricky, right? So like you can see, the bolt is in. The tricky part about all of this, you see that knot inside there, you have to line it up well, because there's no way you can guide it through the knot. It has to come through the bolt, because remember now, that knot is something that has a little flag, like a little flag in that when you're turning it, so that something wouldn't spin around, it will hold on to the iron right there. So now I didn't really need to jack it that much. So what I did after I put the bolt, I started spinning it because I know the bolt was out there, but me hitting it wasn't going through. So I just started turning it like this. Then it just makes its way in there. You know, now we are in right now. So this is the biggest part. Once we do all of this, everything is good to go. Yeah. Hey, let me give you my business card. I'll be right back. Somebody's getting my attention. Sorry about that. Somebody was trying to get my attention. Let me get my business card. So that's it. So we're gonna put the stabilizer and then start tying everything. So I'm gonna show some part of the video. I don't want the video to be too long, but leave a comment down below like you want to see everything that I'm doing. Say KG, I want to see everything. Some people are, the video is too long, you know, so I want to be mindful, you know, for that too. So we're using the old stabilizer right there. This stabilizer link has enough. It was very tough for me taking it out, so I put a lot of penetrating oil because that's something that you don't want to heat it, so you messed it up. But thank God everything went well. I was able to take it out. So let me put a little bit more penetrating out there on that so we can get that guy squeezing there. I'm doing the other side as well, but I'm not going to show that side, the other side. I'm always showing this side. Sorry if my heart is blocking the field. I'm sorry about that. The sun is just it's too much. So I gotta cover up down right there. Hopefully it don't give too much trouble. Go back and go. Power gun, when you have it, it makes your life more easier. Like I always say, if you really want to do a mechanic job, spend your money. Invest your money will be the greatest investment you have ever made. I'm telling you that, man. Invest that money there, baby. You're gonna love yourself, kid. You say that. You have to spend money to make money. Alright, that's good enough. And then there's a rubber right there. So that's it right there. The one is good right there. So we're gonna go ahead and bring the spindle now. Oh, spindle. Bring the spindle. There's the spindle right there. So it goes through the bottom and come up and put the axle at the same time you put it there. So everything has to go in the center. Alright, so now we're here. We put this guy right there. And we bring this guy at the bottom there. So you don't have to worry about the top one yet. So you gotta get that bottom there. There she goes. It's right there. With the 24 north. have a long socket for it. I'm gonna use a power gun. Okay, we're just gonna run it down. 24 sockets. And right here. Run it down some little bit. Alright, so there she goes. Uh-oh, we're losing. I guess I'm using the wrong socket there, boy. This one for pick up the wrong socket. Oh, this one's the shorter one. Okay, so that's it right there. That guy's in. So we're gonna bring this guy right here. This guy right there. And we can start connecting everything just like that, one by one. And this guy right here. We'll lift her up a little bit. Lift her up, kid. Push the guy down. Alright, so that's pretty much that. This one is a 32. So let's go. You go on this. You don't have a gun. It's better you break it up when the tire is still on the ground, so that you don't struggle with it. And it's okay. So it's a 32. And you want to run that down. Okay, so now remember we leave this guy, so now forget about that. Tight up now. Since everything is in there. So I can take off my hat for now because I'm not really under the sun like that. Because I tuck my head on the car. See, the guard is tight now. So we're going to use this breaker bar just to check it. You know, sometimes you're gone, the battery become weak. See right there. That's good. So we're going to come to this side. Do the same thing as well. I don't think I can do that on that side because that socket there is too short. Flat to run it down. I won't use this flat to lose it. So what I can do also, I use this 27 as a leverage. Tie it down. That's what I'm doing on this side. Two both. So that's pretty much that. So now we're gonna tie this guy right here. I believe that was a 17, right? That was 17, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't think my gun will be able to go in there. So what we're gonna do, there's this guy right here. My gun could go in though. I have to go and get another socket. But that won't even work neither because this bolt is long. So you need a deep well socket to be able to do that job. Or flat. You still have to do alignments. Right, so we're good on that place there. So now we're gonna bring this guy back. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put in that let me just make sure that I finish tightening this while ago. Let me make sure. Yep. Make sure that gets it right. So you don't have to worry about that. It's not gonna spin around. Okay, it has that little hook right there. That hook it against the wall, so it don't spin. So that's a good thing about that. All right, so that one is good right there. So we'll put this aside. So the next one we're gonna do, we're gonna bring put back my hat down. I'm trying to bring my head out of the sun. So we're gonna bring before that, let me tie this up. Took off the this guy right here. Remember that this whole thing has to come out, so you have to take off the ABS, or you can't be able to take off the spindle completely, because you just need any room that you can get to work. So the first thing, everything there has to come out. Like I always say that if you can take stuff out when you can lose it, so putting it back in, it's not that of a big deal. Once you can take it out, I was definitely, we can put it back on. Okay, this all right, so tie this guy right there. So I can start playing my tools a little bit from the floor. Somebody was saying the other day, hey, KG, you walking? All your tools is all over. So you can't put this away until you finish what you're doing. Would you agree with me? But anyway, you can always play some stuff. That doesn't mean you can't have tools on the ground. Remember, I'm a mobile mechanic. On the streets, working. Oh yeah, so we have an 8-foot, let's see what I've got there. I have to take off this guy first. I'll make sure that this thing is set right. Yep. This one right here, I want to make sure we got it right, so I don't have to find it. I'll try to put back that. So this one is an 8-bolt here. It's both. So I can put that there right now. Then we're gonna go back here and hang this guy out. I didn't want the guide. I just want to make sure that I get that right there. So we're gonna put on the socket. Alright, so we're gonna tie that guy right there. It has a little hole that the thing goes in there. Position. Alright, so that's that. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bring the rotor. The rotor right there. So we can turn it like this now. So I don't want to tie this here, that way the last thing. So now we can bring this guy right here. This guy right there now. So one thing I did was I put all the bolts on one side, so I don't have to be looking for bolts. So that's a good thing KG did right there. You put it on one plastic. Good job, KG. Sometimes you have to learn to praise yourself too. Is it not? So you have to be your own number one fans. So that's me right there. we got that right there now. So go ahead and top that down. I think that was a 17 bolt. 17 on. This is why I don't like to put all my stuff away like that. Sometimes I just got to put them inside where I see the pictures was just where I walk right there. I don't have to look for them. So it's not something more easy for himself. Alright, so we're going to tie that guy right there. There's the other one. Beautiful. So now we put the slider of the brake. So now we can put the brakes. Beautiful. Just bring this guy up here. And we put a tire there. I'll pretty much wrap up this job. Take out this raincoat. And we're gonna spin it like this. It goes downwards. Shake that guy in there. She still have to do alignment anyway, so we'll just try to get it as close as possible. Once you lose that guy, always make sure you break this guy first. You don't want to take this guy out, or else you're going to have a problem. You break this guy on the ground right there before you put the other one. So now, okay, one more thing I have to do. Make sure this guy right here. That was a 24. Everything goes the way I want it. 27, 4. So once I get tight, you're trying to lose it. So use a little leverages over here. Alright, so now we got this guy, we got that guy, this guy right there, the other one, this one right here, the CV axle, got all of that. That's pretty much it. So, see it, that complete the job. So KG, I'll show my face, but the other side I'm not gonna show it anyway. KG. So this is KG Auto. So just want to thank you guys for watching. I mean, if there's any way you can do this job in another way, please let me know. You know, we all learn every day. So you can't say you know everything. You can't know it all. When you're open to learning, the more you learn, the more you know. If this video was any help for you, help to anyone out there, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Or if you have the same car you want to bring it, you know me, KG. You gotta link up your boy. Subscribe, support your boy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on my next video. Booyah. We